Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, we've seen today a little bit of selling pressure, but overall not much is happening. As I said, stock market is closed. It's likely going to be a quiet day. No previous swing low is broken, even though it's currently testing the low from the 13th of February. But that's not a problem. That's okay, actually. Overall, the wave count remains unchanged. And we're just simply waiting to see if the market can generate an upside reaction from this area. Obviously, as I said to you before, we are still tracking primarily the yellow scenario, which is the short-term bullish scenario, which means we are tracking the potential for a third wave to the upside that could have started already, especially here on the 12th of Feb, when the price might have bottomed in a larger degree wave 2. In our support area, which is defined between $93,640 and $95,470. So as long as the price is holding above the 12th of February low, we could at least assume or consider at least that the price has started circle wave 3 to the upside. Now, circle wave 3 to the upside would be a 5-wave move as well. And we might have started already that circle 3. And here we have wave 1, A, B, C as a flat structure in wave 2. And then there could be a third of a third wave and so on. But to confirm that further, the price must break above the last swing high. I think it is the Friday high, yep, at 98,588. So I'm tracking here a so-called 1-2, 1-2 setup. And then a third wave might start from here. Overall, it's just a waiting game at the moment, yeah. This is just range-bound movement, and the market hasn't really done much over the weekend. Also, today is just an extension of that. Not too much action, given that, as I said, the stock market is closed, so there's just not much action. Probably nothing really decisive going to happen here, but it might not last much longer, this range-bound action, because we are heading obviously into a new trading week. When the stock market opens tomorrow, we could get some more action or maybe some volatility around the daily candle close, given that tomorrow the stock market is trading again. But all of that doesn't really change the overall assumptions here and the structure. So as long as we're holding, as I said, that Wednesday low, this microstructure in yellow is, I would say, leading. It's not super high confidence. I've mentioned that before. There's a reason for that. And now you see exactly why I said it. Because the market is simply moving up and down without any clear direction. I saw that as a potential. And the market told us already last week that it's not going to be easy here because we're so much moving up and down all the time. It's just volatility and indecision on this smaller time frame, which is why I try to warn constantly. We don't have a robust reversal yet. And nothing here really in terms of microstructures is particularly high confidence. So that means we have to be careful until the market really shows its hand. Now, any break below the Wednesday low, however, could still mean that we are still in the yellow count, but circle wave 2 would just reset a little bit lower. But it would obviously reduce the likelihood for it if we break below the Wednesday low, which would invalidate that micro 1-2 setup to the upside. But then the 93,640 level comes into play, which is the 78.6 retracement of the rally that happened between the 3rd of February low, after we had that flash crash, and the swing high the same day, which formed at around, let's shift that back, which formed at around 102,530. Now, this takes us also to a very, very important upside breakout point, because this level, around 102,530, is eventually the level that must break to the upside so that we can really say that we're leaving this range to the upside. Not just here a local upside breakout, because even if we just break above Friday's high, yep, it's a key level, but it would only likely indicate a local breakout. What is more meaningful is a break above that swing high from the 3rd of February. And needless to say that any break below support, so any break below 93,630 would emphasize the bearish count, short-term bearish count, which in the white scenario could then send us down in an ending diagonal into the mid to low 80K area. But overall, there isn't really much more to say, so I don't want to make that video too much longer. We were just watching if the price is doing anything substantial today, which is not the case. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, check out our main channel, MCO Global. It's a new channel. We only launched it last week. The link is in the description. Here you can find all sorts of different content, deep dive, market analysis, different asset classes, tutorials. There will be interviews. They are planned and much more. We can be much more creative with the content here on this channel. So check it out. As long as the market is boring, this here might provide some value. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.